I thought you were starting. I thought. Hey guys. I thought I was starting first.
You always start. It's my turn.
Why you gotta fight with me at Cheesecake? Okay. Inspo. Okay. Melissa, wouldn't you love to know what ingredients you need for your guacamole? And are you kidding me? Michelle!
That was an accident.
I thought I was starting this time.
You always do the intros.
No, she always does the intros. And I mean, the viewers can agree. Period. Why you always gotta fight with me?
Cheesecake.
At Cheesecake, okay, inspo, as you can see, we had to get into character a bit. We had to do a little bullying of each other. We are going to make our delicious Why You Gotta Fight With Me at Cheesecake Factory avocado egg rolls.
Yeah.
Sorry for lost track. That was such a long title. I lost track. So yeah, if you've ever been to the Cheesecake Factory, I'm sure you can attest how fabulous their what are they called again?
Avocado egg rolls.
Their avocado egg rolls are. I mean, do you agree?
Yeah, and unfortunately, I forgot to get the sweet chili sauce, so we're gonna have to really improvise today.
Improvise as in not have the sauce.
Yeah.
But you know, you don't need the sauce. I actually don't eat the sauce when I get them at the Cheesecake Factory. So we're just gonna show you how to make the egg rolls. Melissa, wouldn't you love to know what goes into the Cheesecake Factory avocado rolls?
Oh my god, yeah, I would.
She's dying to know. So all you need to do is make some guacamole, fresh guacamole. If you don't know how, which, I mean, even if you do know how, you still need to do this. We're going to link the video for our fresh guacamole video below this, so you can find out how to make the best ever, to die for, most fabulous, drop-dead gorgeous guacamole you've ever tasted that your fave could never, ever prepare. So all you do is make the guacamole, which in the guacamole is avocado, onion, jalapenos, cilantro, salt, pepper, garlic salt, garlic, lime juice. Am I forgetting anything?
No, I think that's it.
But I don't need to go into detail because you guys are going to watch the guacamole video, right?
Right.
Right. So then, you just need to get these egg roll, okay, I guess bye Melissa. You need to get these egg roll wrappers. They are in the organic section of the grocery store. So like where the tofu and stuff is. I'm not sure why that's where they are, but they're in like the vegan area. And then you'll need canola oil for
the frying.
For frying. And if you've watched our previous pot stickers video, Melissa did not use canola oil because she was insisting on being healthy. But I'm using canola oil because this is actually the best oil to use for frying. Would you like to know why?
Why?
Well, I'll tell you now that you asked. Thanks for asking. Canola oil is the best oil for frying because it has the highest smoke point. So it can get really hot and fry your food without burning it. Now that I've shown you the ingredients that you need, let's get into how to make. So all you do is get some egg roll wraps out of your packaging. Then you use a rose gold spoon. No other colored spoon will work. So all you need to do, take a nice heaping, that might be a little too heaping, spoonful of guac, and jiggle it out. As you can see, my fat cells jiggling while I do it. Jiggle it right out onto
the middle, right?
Yeah, into the middle. Maybe a little bit towards, oh my god, I'm really jiggling. A little bit towards the edge. And I guess I'll give you yours too. Melissa's dog insists on eating, like, literally right next to the microphone. Even though we moved his... I mean, love him, but don't love when he sabotages our videos. I think he's a little jealous. He's jealous. He wants a YouTube.
Okay.
So now... Okay, so now what we need to do is you're going to fold from the bottom, like so. Okay. I sabotaged hers a little bit, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
And then what you need to do also is dip a finger in some water on the edges so that the edges stick together. And not to your finger, they're supposed to stick to each other. And now you wrap like so, one over, then it looks like we're gonna have to do some more water, and then you wrap the second one over. Now, some of ours are a little more looking like the Cheesecake Factories than others. I don't want to call anyone out, but I'll just give you a hint in that I'll just say mine is the better one. I'm not going to say which one is the worst one, but that's a hint. Hopefully, as time goes on, Melissa will learn.
I'm just going to improvise.
You're just going to improvise.
Look.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Now we're going to get started on frying these. So, like I said, you use canola oil, and we just heated up some canola oil on high heat on the stove. I have a deep fryer at home that I wanted to bring over for this video, but Melissa said that I needed to be more relatable to the public and just do it on the stove like normal people would do. But if you have $50 extra, I recommend investing in the deep fryer because it's so worth it. So, all you do, you just have to make sure that there's enough oil to submerge. You drop it right in. Wow, look at that sizzling. I mean, period.
And
your fave could never.
How long?
Like 3 minutes, if like tops. You have to check and see when they start to look like they're like turning brown. Like you can tell, well, actually I might have been overestimating because this kind of looks brown already. Yeah. Oh wow, very brown, very brown. It's done, it's done, it's done. SOS. Take it out.
Take it out.
So I really said 3 minutes. It was a little bit more like 3 seconds, but that's okay. You know, we all make mistakes. So these are actually maybe a little bit burnt, to be honest. But like I said, don't get discouraged if, you know, you make a mistake. In Hot Girl Kitchen, we even make mistakes. Even the experts have, I just made a big mistake. As you saw, as we were boiling on the stove instead of in a deep fryer, we had some technical difficulties with the tongs sticking to the wrappers, the raw dough. But don't fret, you know, mistakes happen. They're all delicious still, but these were just the prettiest ones that we salvaged for viewing purposes. So now we're going to not dip them because, you know, someone forgot to make the dip. Get the ingredients to make the dip. But you know what? Cheers anyways. Illy.
Illy.
Illy in all your imperfections. They're very abundant.
Yeah, honestly, they don't need it yet.
Right. I feel like because it's guacamole inside, like I don't even use the dip when it comes out at the Cheesecake Factory. So I feel like with guac inside with the dip, that's too much sauce. Oh, that's too much sauce. You don't want too much sauce when you eat it, okay? Period.
This is fantastic. Your fave could
absolutely never. And I'm sure we already said like and subscribe. You know, you're probably already subscribed because like we're irresistible, but just in case, we'll remind these hoes.
Real hot girl shit.